Sup YouTube? Sorry about that. Yeah, I've got 31k. I'm gonna be opening a few packs because Bundesliga team of the year's out, well, team of the season. So, yeah, hope you enjoy it. If you could leave a like and a subscribe, that'd be great. Right, so for the first one, I'm gonna chance my luck. Right, nose pack. Yeah, I'm not looking. Please be someone good, EA. Please. Well, 84 rated in my first pack. That's alright. You know what, I'll put him up for a K starting price and see how much he goes for. Looked quite good actually. And that might go for 100 coins. Sell that. Right, so EA, I'm low of a good player, right? This time I'm gonna be opening a pack with my eye. Oh! It just took me right out to the menu. Right. That won't work, right? So the nose again. No, actually. Right. Put your pinkies out, right? Put your pinkies out. Ah. Put your pinkies out, right? I'm not gonna look. Please. Oh, right. Yeah, just like, you know, crap on me. Just crap on me. Ah. Yeah. So, well, I got crap. What? The best thing I got was a contract. Yeah. That'll probably sell for the most, that contract. 19k left, right. Here we go. Notes pack again. No, actually, right. What kind of packs are they? Right. I'm just gonna close my eyes, right? And just casually move up. Now,